Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shiraf's Kitchen. Today let's learn how to make a homemade bread. This bread will be crispy from the outside and soft from inside. For this, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to about 150 ml of lukewarm tepid water. Add 2 teaspoons of yeast and mix it well. Set it aside. I'm using a food processor to knead the dough, but it's absolutely optional. If you have a bread maker, you could completely do this there, or you could just knead this with your hands. So I'm adding half a kilo of all-purpose flour, and to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt and the yeast mixture that we kept. Blend it well, and if you need to add water in small quantity. For fast and easy cooking, please consider buying a food processor. Look for a food processor that has multiple functions, especially one that helps you knead bread. Now transfer the dough to a large mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and knead it and make it into a fine ball. Now cover this with a clean kitchen towel and leave it in a warm place for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this dough will double in its size. Knock out the excess air and dust your baking tray with some flour. Transfer this dough to the baking tray. You could score your dough and cover it for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, set your oven to 180 and preheat it for about 10 minutes. Make sure the oven is set to 180 degrees. Bake the bread for about 40 minutes. And that's it, your homemade bread is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and for quick homemade recipes like this, please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment and share this video. See you soon in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.